Hi everyone! So, bago po magtapos yung araw na ito, ay meron lang po akong iiwan na para makapag-reflect po tayo sa buong maghapon na naging busy tayo or nakasama natin yung family natin. So, ang ibibigay ko po na reflection po natin is sa Matthew 6 verse 33. At ang sabi dito, "But seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well." So, yung masasabi ko lang, kapag ka magko-quote tayo ng verse sa Bible, basahin natin yung buong chapter para mas maintindihan natin yung nais na iparating sa atin na mensahe. But, we invite the Holy Spirit na mag-guide sa atin kasi without His presence, hindi natin maintindihan ng kung ano yung gusto talagang ipahiwatig sa atin ng Lord. So, dun sa binasa ko kanina sa Matthew 6 verse 33, may perfect example dyan na ibinigay ang Panginoon. So, ang perfect example nun is yung kay King Solomon. So, basahin po natin. Mag-start po ako sa 1 Kings 3 verse 4. So, ang sabi dito, yung king refers to Solomon. The king went to Gibeon to offer sacrifices, for that was the most important high place. And Solomon offered 1,000 burnt offerings on that altar. At Gibeon, the Lord appeared to Solomon during the night in a dream. And God said, "Ask for whatever you want me to give you." At ito yung sagot ni Solomon sa verse 6. Solomon answered, "You have shown great kindness to your servant, my father David, because he was faithful to you and righteous and upright in heart. You have continued this great kindness to him and have given him a son to sit on his throne this very day. Now, Lord my God, you have made your servant king in place of my father David, but I am only a little child and do not know how to carry out my duties. Your